Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokche Design. In this video, we're going to look at how to create a smoke effect in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start by duplicating your background layer. Next, click on the quick selection tool in the left menu and hit select subject. Use the plus and minus brushes to clean up the selection and make sure to include all of model's hair. Now I'm going to click on the Add Layer Mask button and then right click on the layer and convert to Smart Object so we can modify it non-destructively. Let's create a new layer so we can use it as our background gradient. From the gradient pop-up, choose black, white. For style, I'm going to select radial and I'm also going to check reverse and increase the scale a bit. Next, hold the Option key and then click on the Add Layer Mask button on our background copy layer to create a negative mask. Let's reduce the density of the mask by a little bit so we can see what's underneath it. From the left menu, click on the brush tool and then select a soft round brush. Make sure the foreground color is set to white. Remember, white reveals, black conceals. With the flow set to around 50%, I'm going to paint over the outer contours of the model's face. Just make sure to go slow and feel free to make multiple passes. Now it's time to bring in our smoke brush. I downloaded it for free from the internet and I'll leave the link in the description. There are a lot of options available. I'm going to select Sample Brush 7 for this example. Use the square bracket keys shortcut to increase or decrease the size of the brush. I'm also going to change the flow back to 100%. To change the angle of the brush, type in the angle text box and use the up and down arrow keys. Use the left click to paint bunch of times depending on the look you're going for. You can also move the density slider back to 100% to get rid of the artifacts from the underlying image. Now I'm going to select the soft round brush again to clean up the image. Feel free to toggle between the white and the black foreground depending on whether you would like to show or hide the underlying image. Finally, I'm going to click on the Adjustments tab and then choose Hue/Saturation. Next, click on the finger tool and hover over the model's eye. For a dramatic look, I'm going to crank up the saturation all the way to 100 and increase the lightness as well. This will make our model's eye color pop. Now let's look at the before and after images. Looks good to me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.